Hi teacher, today I talk about the telecom market structure of the Bolivia. And my name is Laura Correa and my classmate David Santiago Malago.
The mobile operators are Entel, which is from the state, Tigo and Viva, which are private. Telephony and broadband operators are Entel, Cotel, and Cotas and AKS. Television operators are Entel, Cotel, Cotas, and Tigo. It's more than 11,500,000 mobile lines. The monthly ARPU for mobile television is US 30.67. In Bolivia, the political constitution of the state establishes in the section devoted to the economics and financial regime that the elements and physical force that can be used, such as the electromagnetic spectrum, have the character of the property the original domain of the state. In the field of the radioelectric spectrum, the means of the communication and transmission operate such as radio station, television, over-the-air, microwave, satellite systems, cellular telephony, internet communication, radio message, pagers, rural radio telephony, and the system that allow to emit and receive data packets remotely.
Okay, then I talk about the state involvement of Bolivia and the participation of the state of Bolivia. This is very important, as the rights and duties that our people have to fulfill or regulate. The law that establishes the general framework of the participation and social control, the purpose, the principes, the attributions, the obligations, and other ways to have in their exercise. The participation is defined by a right condition and foundation of democracy with that exercise individually or collective, with the civil society that control public management of the state levels and companies, public, mixed, and private institutions that administer the some resource of the Bolivia. Okay, one of the most important topics are the big operator that present in Bolivia. That is Entel. Entel is a company that operates in the ECT sector with so many different things of telecommunications, connect with key contacts, projects, relay news and something. Okay, and then for finish, the the country of Bolivia is now setting to advance internet service with the construction of a fiber optic to the Pacific and work with Peru for improve this thing to correspond to the land section and different things. And the objective of this country is improve the quality and lower the price of the internet, and they have telephony and broadband service, and in the next year they are hoping to launch a new telecommunication satellite. And for end, the conclusion for me of the country of Bolivia, I think that despite not being a country with all of the technological capabilities, but strong and strives to achieve ambiguity of these countries with the new technology. Thank you.